Weird, guys. This is not cracking. Okay. Does it crack a little bit? Yeah, it cracked a little bit. Oh my god.
What happened? ¿Qué pasó?
It cracked.
Okay.
Guys, look at the inside.
Show me the
Oh my god, I told the egg not to break. Ew, that looks like slime. Why didn't it look slime? It's going to look like pancake ice cream, everybody. It's enough sprinkles.
Wow.
There's enough. Oh, what? Sprinkle shower! Okay, this much. This is not enough?
That's too much.
Huh? You ate sprinkles?
Look at Mickey Mouse.
So cute.
Mickey Mouse. waffle.
I'm going to eat more sprinkles. His eyes.
Which one is your favorite? I like the classic one. This one.
Mickey breakfast is ready.